Good morning to everyone. Today I tell you one important question which coming in board exam. Good morning student. Hi, myself Harkesh Singh. Today I start my new topic, that is valency bond theory or commonly known as VBT. Actually in VBT we have discussed that the valency, or according to this theory, the metal atom or ion have formation of ligand that can use its n minus 1 ns, np, ns, np or nd. This is the hybridization. For example, if we draw a table for coordination number, types of hybridization, and shape of hybrid. As we know that the coordination number may be 4, then the type of hybridization is sp3, then the shape of is tetrahedral. If again coordination number 4, maybe one diorbital can be used, so this is dsp2 because one orbital is used as a d in place of p. So this is square planar. If coordination number is 5, then it may be sp3d bipyramidal. Again, if coordination number 6, it may be two types of. Number 1, sp3d, because d is outside, so it can consume n minus 1 d orbital, commonly known as inner orbital complex or outer inner complex. So d is outside, so it is known as outer orbital complex. Now the geometry is octahedral on the both the case. Octahedral. Okay students. If coordination number again 6, this may be dsp3 because d is used, or sp3d2, sorry, because d is used, so this is known as inner orbital complex and shape is octahedral. This sequence if we learn properly, then we can find the valency bond theory or VBT easily. Now very simple method to find the question coming in a board exam to find the valency bond theory. We have learned the two things. Number 1, to find the VBT, we keep in mind the two things. Number 1, first of all we find out the oxidation number of central metal atom. To find out the oxidation number of central metal atom. First we find out the oxidation number of central metal atom. Number 2, identify the types of ligand may be two types. If the ligands are weak field ligand, they cannot pair up the electron. They cannot pair up the electrons. Students, if ligand is weak field, then it cannot pair up the electrons. Okay, the electrons are occupied in single in orbitals. If it is strong field ligands, then electron can pair up electrons, means orbitals having two electrons pair. So we know that weak field ligands are all halogens like fluoro, chloro, bromo, hydroxo, HCN minus and oxalate C2O4 minus 2 and water molecules H2O. These are the list of weak field ligands. And weak field ligands, strong field ligand, they may be ammonia, NH3, cyanide, carbonyl, EN. Do you know very well this is ethane 1,2-diamine, EN commonly known as, and NH3, NH2, etc. These are the identification of strong pair and weak pairs. Now we can solve the one numerical which coming in an exam. In COF6, in COF6 3 minus, right hybridization. Okay, magnetic nature, and state of its outer or inner orbital complex. Okay, this is the question. Inner or outer orbital complex by VBT. वैलेंसी बॉन्ड थ्योरी के थ्रू we can find the hybridization. हमें hybridization find out करना है, magnetic nature and state of its outer or inner orbital complex. So as we know that the atomic number of cobalt is 27 and its configuration is 3d7 4s2. So first we find the oxidation number of CO. It is X minus 1 is equal to minus 3. So X minus 6 minus 3 and X equal to 6 minus 3, that is X equal to 3. So if the oxidation number of cobalt is 3, it means it lose 3 electron. Now these 3 electron lose by 2 from here and 1 from this side. So the configuration of cobalt become CO3 plus is equal to this is 3d orbitals, 4s, 4p and 4d. Now what happened? 3d. After losing these 3 electrons, the electron remaining in 3d have 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. S orbital is empty and 4 orbital also empty. Now when the 6 electron, now the fluorine is a weak field ligand, it cannot pair up these electrons. Fluorine is a, remember, fluorine is a weak field ligand, so it cannot pair up these electrons. So it required 6 electrons to the central metal atom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these 6 orbitals can use. Therefore the sp, s1, p3 and d2. So the hybridization is, number first part, hybridization, that is sp3d2. The hybridization is sp3d2. Since the electron in orbitals are single, since the electrons are single, so they are paramagnetic in nature. So the magnetic nature is paramagnetic because the electrons are single and occupy in the orbitals. If the electrons are pair, they may be dimagnetic. If the electrons are pair, they may be dimagnetic, but these electrons are single, so they are the paramagnetic. Now D is used after state, so it is outer orbital complex. It is outer orbital complex. So student, this is very easy question. By knowing two things, number one, we find the oxidation number of the central metal atom, and number two, the ligand state. If the ligand is weak, it cannot pair up the electron. If the ligand is strong, it can pair up the electron. By using this, you can easily find the solution. And thank you.